Muhaha! It is alien. It is time for the weather forecast outlook thingamajiggy with the most horrible shade of pink that I could possibly find as a background color. British Virgin Islands, where is it? I do not know. Eddick, Alaska, and Eddick, Alaska. 5.2 is 5.4. It's inevitably part of Ring of Fire. We find out. We click on that, we click on that, we go to Google Map and blah blah blah. Evolution and I don't know what it is. Look, they look very much like Ring of Fire. Fire! Alright, I'm going with that. It is a Ring of Fire. That is a Scottish Ring of Fire now. So we're going with Scottish because I'm not gonna stop today. Right, we got a red flag warning and a high wind advisory or a warning? High wind warning! How about that? And then a frost advisory and like a surf thingamajig. If you're on the coast, pay attention to surfing things. Red flag warning, alright. Red flag warning is like fire weather thing, so it could be low humidities. We're back to the French. I do not know. Low humidities, windy conditions, so that if a fire spreads, it would spread quite quickly. I do not know. Here is the fun. Is this today? I do not know. Yes, 27th. I am very good. Right, see, look at this wrapped little thing. It is a very strong low pressure system, I think. I do not know what the purple is. See, that is warm front, it is cold front, that is purple front. How about that? Oh, that's tomorrow, where it's also still wrapped. And day 3, not looking as wrapped. That's very sad. Drought monitor, lots of exceptional drought still. I think that might be new, that is extreme drought. But we've got Hurricane Hillary to talk about, who might bring relief to smidge of area, I do not know. Here is who gets rain in the next 5 days. Ah, that must be Hurricane Hillary, the forecast probability. Dumping some rain in places unknown, I do not know. Here are who the flooded people be. And apparently Ohio got some flooding yesterday, also Arkansas. And these dots there are they're always on the map. Here is today's confusing weather outlook map. I don't know what that means, so we move on to this where it says 5% chance of wind in these areas right there, and a 5% chance of severe weather. I mean severe hail there, and less than 2% chance all areas for tornado. And tomorrow is still confusing. So we switch on over to the 5% map thing. Magic again. Texas and places up there. They get stuff. I do not know. Is there Hillary? Oui. Non. Maintenant. There, that is the extent of the French I know. Hurricane, and tropical depression. And if we go back, no, we click up there. I believe, I'm not sure. Then we say, California, they might get some stuff, but I do not know. It's apparently not be a full force hurricane at that point at all. You know, hurricane, downgrading as we go. So, but it might bring lots of rain to area. I'm not sure. Alright, there was also a blob out there too we should talk about. A 0% chance. No, we don't need to talk about that. 90% chance it is the remnants of hurricane. No, wait. I do not remember. Did Ophelia become hurricane? I'm not sure. But there is Philippe. Philippe is now going towards the United States, possibly. But quite possibly not. See, he makes left turn. He say, wait, I do want to indeed turn to the United States. But you know what I'll do? I'll probably go over here, and then I crank back eastward. Because that is what happens. So, here are scientific models with Hurricane Hillary. Utah might get hit by green triangle bend model. And also, let's see, there is remnants of her, whatever Ophelia was not going to hit the United States. And also Philippe Who knows where Philip is going? Maybe go back there, maybe go there. Who knows? We keep eye on it. That's what we do. We, being me and the mouse in my pocket. We. So, Wicked Wix, you decide to go there or you don't. I do not know. WICKED WX.com.